Hey there everybody. I am going to open up my drone battery case. This is a K610 and the batteries are not replaceable. They don't have any battery replacements on Amazon. I think I might have found one that is $35, but I'm gonna open this up and see what the battery on the inside looks like and see if maybe I can't find the inside to replace. So it's got 4 screws here. I got this little tiny screwdriver, and so I'm going to open this up and hopefully they come out real easy. This is 3.7 volts and 2200 milliamps. So I don't know if you can see that right there. So here on these sides, you just got to get these tabs pushed in. I got this side pushed in. So now I'm working on this other side here. All right, so this is what the batteries look like. Looks like it's 2 stacked on each other. Not something that I could simply plug and play replace. But if you're capable of doing something like that, then now you know. This is what it says here on the inside.